With a manufacturing integration platform, you can make your manufacturing processes more transparent and efficient. At the same time, you set the foundation for your smart factory with the MIP. The platform is centralized, promoting information transfer and data exchange. Data with which your production can be analyzed, controlled, and optimized. MIP forms the foundation on which all applications communicate, thus enabling full interoperability. Apps with different functions and from different providers can be combined with high flexibility using the MIP. This open ecosystem makes it possible to integrate the standard applications of different suppliers into a smart factory. Everyone delivers what they do best. You can implement a customized end-to-end solution, which consists of many small, precisely fitting building blocks. These can then be exchanged as needed to optimize the system. That means maximum flexibility. In addition, vendor lock-in is prevented because the platform is interoperable and allows data exchange between all enterprise systems, saving resources and ensuring quality. You can rely on the manufacturing integration platform from MPDV to maximize the efficiency of your manufacturing operations.